for the second range, that is basically, so here my second range 45 to 49. So if I see now this 8 will come in this range, so I'll write the number 8 here. 9 will also come in this range, so I'll write my number 9 here. This is the way I'm going to split this single stem into two stems. Similarly, if I go for number 5, I'll be breaking this 5 into two groups now. अब इस 5 की मेन रेंज क्या थी? 59. Two groups or two sub ranges are 50 to 54 and 55 to 59. So I'll be writing it down here. So two ranges of 50 to 59 is basically two ranges of this 50 to 59 is basically 50 to 54 and 55 to 59. So I have broken the 5 into two stems here, and the first range is 50 to 54. So whichever numbers are coming from here in this range, I will be writing it down. So if I see 52 is coming in this range, so I'll write the number 2 here. 3 is coming in this range, so I'll write the number 3 here. 4 is coming in this range, so I'll write the number 4 here. Again 4 is coming in this range, I will write the number 4 here. But if I see 7, it's not in this range, it's going beyond this range, so I'll go to the second range, that is 55 to 59. And if I see 57 does come in this range, so I'll write the number 7 down here. Then 9 also comes in this range. Again 9 comes in this range. Again 9 comes in this range. Again 9 comes in this range. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 9 here. So this is the way I've broken the stem and leaf diagram into stem leaf split diagram. So then I'll be moving on to the last 10, that is the 6. Again I'll be breaking it up into two groups, 6 and 6. I know that the two ranges for 60 to 69, this is my main range. Stem 6 की जो main range है वो ये है from 60 to 69, and two sub ranges that are 60 to 64 and 65 to 69. So I'll be listing it down over here. So my first range is 60 to 64. And my second range is basically, it is 65 to 69. So now I'll take all those numbers in this range that are coming in the first range. So here वो तमाम numbers लेंगे जो यहाँ पे leaf में given है in front of the stem 6, that is 0 0 0 5 6 7 9, and I will write all those numbers here that come in this range. If I see 0 does come in this range, so 6 0 60, then we have 6 0 60 again, then 6 0 60 again. But if I see this 5 doesn't come in this range, 65 is beyond the range 60 to 64, so I will have to go to the second range, that is 65 to 69, and I can write the 5 here. Then 6 will also come in this range, 66, then we have 67, and then we have 69. If you guys see, we have split it up this diagram successfully into different splits. So here you will be noticing one thing is that I'm writing one number below the other. I'm following a linear. I know I'm working on the computer, but when you're doing on the paper, you have to make sure your number are beneath the others. And जो 40 के रेंज में उनको मैंने 4 के आगे ही लिखा है, और जो 50 के रेंज में है या 59 तक के रेंज में written in front of the 5, and so happens for the 6. Now the question is, what is the amount of money that was most commonly collected? वो कौन सी amount of money थी जो कि most commonly collect की गई थी? And we know that you can see that is यहाँ पे 9 सबसे ज़्यादा repeat हुआ. So we say that $59 are the most collected money. यहाँ पे $60 भी collect किए गए, but it is not that much as compared to $59. So I hope it's clear to everybody. Now your task is to take out your copies, what you guys will be doing is that you're putting the heading stem and leaf diagram, stem and leaf split diagram, and then you will be mentioning whatever is shown to you. You will do work example number 4, the one I have done it here. अच्छा, उससे वो सब करने से पहले जिस तरह आपको मैंने प्रीवियसली पूरी रेंज करना सिखाई थी कि रेंज कैसे निकालते हैं, आप तमाम रेंजेस की लिस्ट बनाएंगे और बाकायदा रेंजेस को स्प्लिट करके दिखाएंगे इस तरीके से, ठीक है। उसके बाद आप कॉपी करेंगे ये वर्क एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4 जिस तरीके से मैंने अभी किया है। आप चाहे तो डिफरेंट कलर्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं जिस तरह मैंने अभी यूज़ किया, और आप उसको बिल्कुल सिंपली भी कर सकते हैं, आप नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन। If I zoom in a bit, you guys will be able to see your answers. These are just the same. सिर्फ फ़र्क ये हुआ कि आपको मैंने करके दिखा दिया। To construct a stem and leaf diagram, I'll just be rubbing some part of here so to make it clear. Like this. So to construct a stem and leaf diagram with split stems, we separate the stems into smaller number of equal sized unit. वो बात कर रहे हैं equal range। If you see, it is done the same way. Ranges साथ में लिखिए जिस तरह मैंने लिखा, आप उसको इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं। There is no harm doing it. And the amount of money that was collected the most is $59. The last question is find the ratio of the number of students who collected more than $40 but less than 55 to the total number of students। कह रहे हैं कि आपको क्या करना है, वो रेशियो निकालना है उन बच्चों का जिन्होंने मनी कलेक्ट किया है मोर देन $40 बट लेस देन 55। मतलब कि वो बच्चे हो जिन्होंने क्या कहते हैं कलेक्ट किए हैं $40 से ज़्यादा लेकिन $55 से कम। किससे कंपेयर करना, टू द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। सो लेट्स डू इट हियर। If you guys see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have all together 21 students. 21 स्टूडेंट्स हमने क्या कंपेयर करना है, हमें कंपेयर करना है कितने बच्चे थे जिन्होंने मोर देन $40 कलेक्ट किए लेकिन $55 से कम। टू हमेशा हमें पता है कि रेशियो के इस्तेमाल होता है, ये रेशियो से रिप्रेजेंट करता है। किससे कंपेयर करना है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट दैट इज बेसिकली 21। सो अगर देखा जाए $40 से ज़्यादा हो, सो $40 को अगर इस पार्ट को छोड़ें, सो वी हैव 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7। हम यहाँ तक स्टॉप करेंगे। Started from $44, ended till $54 because हमें क्या बताया, it has to be less than $55. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, तो अगर देखा जाए तो मेरे पास कितने आ रहे हैं, 7 is to total student that is 21। अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें, we are supposed to get 1 is to 3 because 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. So I hope it's really clear to everybody and the question is clear to all of you and you guys have learned what basically stem split diagrams are, किस तरीके से हम इसको स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं, पहले हम कौन सी रेंज चूज़ करेंगे, क्यों चूज़ करनी है, दूसरी रेंज क्यों चूज़ नहीं करेंगे, अगर हमारे पास मेन रेंज है तो हम उसको 2 पार्ट्स में कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे। I hope it's clear to everybody and how you're going to answer the question related to it. Your homework is you're going to do practice now number 4. We're going on page number 462, exercise question number 9. So you're going on page number 462, question number 9 आपका ये homework होगा। So I hope it was clear to everybody. And if you guys have any doubts still left on, you guys can let me know and I will clarify it as soon as possible. Kindly do all the homework, notes बनाएं और मुझे send करें so that I can see and I can check out your work. Again, किसी को कोई